Meaning of flycatcher.
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 Flycatcher. A flycatcher is a small bird that belongs to the family of birds known as Muscicapitae. These birds are known for their ability to catch insects on the wing, using their quick and agile flight. They have a distinctive appearance, with a small body and a long, thin beak that is perfectly suited for catching flying insects. Flycatchers are found in many different parts of the world, and they play an important role in controlling insect populations in their habitats. Overall, the flycatcher is a fascinating and important species of bird that is well adapted for its unique hunting and survival strategies.